To draw the Lewis structure for carbon dioxide, we must first determine how many valence electrons are in carbon and how many valence electrons are in oxygen. Carbon is in group 14 of the periodic table, meaning it has 4 valence electrons. Oxygen is in group 16, meaning it has 6 valence electrons. We have 2 oxygens, so I'll duplicate writing this. We draw the least electronegative element as the central atom. In this case, carbon is more to the left than oxygen is. And as we know, electronegativity increases as we go to the right, and since carbon is more to the left, we draw carbon as the central atom since it is the least electronegative. We draw single bonds sticking out, 2 oxygens on either end. We have a total of 16 valence electrons we can use because I added these values up. Each single bond takes 2 valence electrons. So 16 minus 2 leaves us with 12 valence electrons. We fill out the outermost elements first, and then we go to the central atom if we have to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now oxygen has a full octet because it has 2 from these valence electrons right here and 6 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I do the same thing with the oxygen. I already used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, meaning I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 valence electrons left for this oxygen, and now this oxygen is happy because it has 8 valence electrons, again including this single bond right here. This oxygen has 6 valence electrons, including this single bond right here, except this carbon only has 4 valence electrons because it got 2 from this valence, 2 from that single bond, and 2 from the single bond. So in this case, each oxygen is going to have to donate 2 valence electrons to form a double bond. So in this case, this oxygen will donate these 2 valence electrons to form another bond. So now we would have had 1, 2, 3, 4 valence electrons right here. This oxygen will donate these valence electrons to form a double bond right here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds right there. So now the oxygens are still happy because again you share valence electrons in covalent compounds. So it still has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The oxygen on the right is also happy because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the carbon is happy because it gets 1, 2, 3, 4 from the double bond on the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 from the double bond on the left. And this is how you draw the Lewis structure for carbon dioxide. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.